Good morning, class. Let's take the next paragraph of the chapter. Till here, we have discussed all the characters we faced in first chapter. So, when we move against, not because they did not have the resources. In fact, despite of having money to pay the required rent, and they were not able to find the apartment for the month. Because of caste only they were not feeling equal in the society. Why? Because they were different from other castes, like in the locality where all Hindu people were living and they were Muslim. So this is another way, that is the social one. And the religion is that the people were reluctant to lease them apart from because of their religion. Okay, why the people did not want to give them apartment? Because they were Muslim. So similarly, the main reason that the teachers forced Om Prakash Valmiki to sweep the schoolyard, and that was because of that the person was Dalit. So these two references we have faced in the chapter, that is the people were of different caste and religion. So you have read that the work women do often consider the less value than the that done by the men. Here we have seen the discrimination between the male and female. When in the same farm both are working, the women are paid lot because of less skill, or you can say less education. So different things can be understand here. So all of these persons are discriminated against primarily because of their social and cultural background. This is very much important line. Because of that, people are feeling unequal in the society because they belong to different social and cultural background. So discrimination on the basis of person's religion, caste or gender is another significant factor for the people treated unequally in India. Lack of resources and social and cultural reasons. So often poverty and lack of dignity and respect for certain communities and groups come together. So in a such powerful ways that is difficult to identify where one person is unequally ends and other begins. So many times in the society we see different kind of rallies, dharnas and organizations are formed. Why? Because sometimes people want to take their right. So as you have read, Dalit, Adivasis, Muslim girls, when we know that they drop out the school and less education, less literacy is found among all these you can say women or girls. The reason behind is that some their culture, custom, social obligations, and in a large number we see that these girls left their education. This is a combined outcome of poverty, social discrimination, and lack of good quality schools and facilities for these communities. So why it happens, why the discrimination take place? In this paragraph generally it shows that because of this reason, means social discrimination, poverty, lack of resources, lack of facilities which these communities get. So another topic we take that struggle for equality. Struggle for equality. Here we'll see the different campaign or movement have been uh, run in the society. We'll see them which are you can say mentioned in our history. So throughout the world, in every community, village, because of the fight equality. And these people may have stood up against of the act of discrimination that they faced or which they witnessed. The recent example in the book we can take from Jhutan, that is the book written by Om Prakash Valmiki, and how he humiliated and discriminated by the teacher. So because they treat all the person with dignity, and they are therefore trusted and called upon to resolve issues in the community. So some big personalities which rose the voice because of that particular, you can say, discrimination and issues which were existed in society. They are well known. So often some of these persons became more widely recognized because they have the support or represent large number of people who have united to struggle a particular issue of inequality. Though we know that the fundamental rights for all, but after that we belong to a such society where such kind of things can be seen, and we are bound with our old traditions, custom, so that we are forced to accept such kind of nature. So in India there are several struggles in which people have come together to fight for issues, and that they believe that are important. In chapter 5 you have read about the methods used by the women movement to raise the issues of equality. The Tawa Matsya Sangh in Madhya Pradesh in another example of the people coming together to fight for an issue. There are many such struggles such as those among the beedi workers, fish folk, agriculture in their own way. There are also many attempts to form cooperatives or other collective ways by which people can have more control over the resources. So, we will discuss in the next video Tawa Matsya Sangh, what happened to them and why they were collectively fighting with the situation, and what was the reason behind them that they have to come on the in an organization, and it one of the famous movement which was run by the people. So we'll discuss that thing in another video. Thank you. Have a nice day.